You got me in the tits. I thought I was an alien, found out I was a twit. My body is a prison, but how can I escape? Doesn't matter what I do, I'm filled up with a hate. Go take the piss, I'm black with a wit, not soft full of shit. Now off the tits, off the tits, off the tits, off the tits. One day out of nowhere, my chest began to rise. He noticed in the shower, said he liked it, and I cried. I'll never be a lady, or make me feel a fool. Take this flesh and suck it out and stop the ridicule. Stop the ridicule. Stop the ridicule. Go take the piss, I'm flat with a wit, not soft full of shit. Now off with the tits. Off with the tits. I gotta fix this one little bit. Oh, I'll throw a fit. Now off with the tits. Off with the tits. Off with the tits. Off with the tits. Got me in the tits. Then I called the doctor, said, Miss, what can you do? She told me she cut them off, said sign me up for June. I went to the teller, took out 10K in cash. She said, bitch, are you joking? I wish I had that right. Stop the ridicule, stop that ridicule. Go take the piss, I'm flat with a wit, not soft full of shit. Now off with the tits, off with the tits. I gotta fix this one little bit, oh, I'll throw a fit. Now off with the tits, off with the tits. And being the stick, it makes me sick. I wanna be a stick. Now off with the tits, 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 off with the tits.
A butterfly sailed on the breeze past a field of barbed wire trees, where golden dragons chased around. Hummingbird poppies on the ground. Two silver traps sat way on high and watched a royal samurai and two black orchids in a box and strap it to a laughing fox. A minstrel bought a crooked spoon. He gave it to a blue baboon, who filled it full of virgin snow and wandered in the afterglow. Stood in its ballet catching 16 kangaroos. How to skip across a lane. They found it hard to stay awake. Time